So what do you know about this law? Like, what can you tell us about it?
So the law is going to go into effect in 2023. It was signed by Governor Hochul, and it basically will prevent or preclude the arrest of anyone under the age of 12 for any crime except for homicides. That's different than what it has been, and basically it makes a black and white rule that individuals under 12 will not be arrested, even if they shoot somebody, if they cause serious physical injury. A lot of crimes, these children should be handled differently in family court, or for criminal mischiefs or basic crimes. They shouldn't be arrested for it. They should go down and be handled appropriately in family court. But this law will effectively get rid of that. They will no longer be going to family court. They won't be getting the resources in family court anymore, and they'll be going into this program that I don't know much about because it doesn't exist yet, but they will. That's what the new law basically implements.
So what are your thoughts and feelings about this?
So I have never been a proponent of a black and white rule like that. I think there are situations, especially in larger cities, where you may get an 11-year-old who is involved with a gang who shoots somebody and may not kill them, but may cause serious physical injury, and they clearly need to be held accountable. That's something that shouldn't fall under that law, but it will. And so that's something that's going to have to be addressed as the law gets put into place and you see more and more of those situations.
Is it just like about they don't want them to face consequences, or is it that they want them to have different consequences?
I think potentially both. It depends. Like if you have a child who commits a criminal mischief who's 11 or 10 years old, should they be put in handcuffs and dragged into family court? No. But if you have a child who has a firearm, who is violent, who is robbing people, who is shooting people, then that child needs to be held accountable and an arrest needs to be made. So I don't think that there can be a black and white rule like that.